Rumors. Rumors are the first weapon of choice for the enemy due to their ability to incite violence and spread lies. The enemy relies on the engagement sparked by rumors, no matter its size, because eventually, rumors will persist until the recipient believes them to be true. Alertness and awareness remain the first line of defense to conquer and defeat them. Rumors and the provocation of mindless religious sentiment represent weapons of sectarian extremism, which is seen through its repeated and cunning attempts to create instability and defame dignitaries and institutions that pose the biggest threat to its ideology and project. Rumors are at the forefront of religious and national infiltration tactics. Only societies equipped with keen awareness are capable of confronting and preventing the spread of rumors. Whenever extremism indulges in fueling rumors, it pours all its efforts into making them believable, disregarding all moral values. However, Allah's wisdom will uncover falsehood and deception. Yet, some still insist on being an example to others with their moral decay.